Get up, get up. I usually get up at 7 a.m. every morning. He always gets up early. Turn on, turn on. Could you please turn on the lights? Kindly turn on the television. Put on, put on. She always likes to put on a new dress before going out. He puts on his formal dress before going office. Go out, go out. Let's go out for dinner. After a long week of work, Mark decided to go out with friends. Hang out, hang out. We used to hang out at the park every evening. She likes to hang out with her friends for movies. Look for, look for. I have been looking for my keys everywhere. After moving to the new city, Sarah has to look for a job. Call off, call off. They had to call off the picnic due to weather. My visa has been called off due to the pandemic. Turn down, turn down. Can you turn down the music a bit? She decided to turn down the job offer. Check out, check out. I'm going to check out new coffee shop. She checked out the restaurant at exactly 6 o'clock. Take off, take off. It's so hot, I need to take off my jacket. My flight will take off tomorrow morning.